I'm Tanya and this is makeup for Gamine body type. So let's get started. Gamine makeup are fresh, cheerful, with high contrast. Start with eyebrows, can be soft arc or straight. For eyelid, 60 Inspire makeup, doll eye makeup, mix multiple color eyeshadow with extra sparkle. And colorful eyeliner with clumpy eyelash. For lips, any bright colors are awesome, or deep color lips with any finish. For more simple look, you can choose colors that are fresh like rose pink or bright plum. For the face, lightly contour your cheekbone, nose and jawline, then apply blush in straight line from nose to ears. Makeup that you need to avoid are those soft blend, pastel makeup, which is romantics, and those minimal classic makeup. These are too plain for Gamine. Overall, Gamine makeup have a lot in common with dramatics makeup. So dramatic look pretty good in Gamine makeup. Here we have Kyla Knightley, who is dramatics in Gamine makeup. So as Gamine also look awesome in dramatics makeup. And this is Lily Collins, who is Gamine in dramatics makeup. Both body type look great in high contrast makeup. The only difference, Gamine makeup are mixed with some softness, while dramatics are more sharp and bold. And this is all makeup for Gamine body type. So thank you for watching and hope you have amazing day. Bye.